Welcome to Social Entrepreneurship. So what stands out about this course? 3 things. First, social entrepreneurship does not mean you have to start a new company. Some of you might, many of you won't. Social entrepreneurship means more than new ventures. It means mobilizing resources in new and innovative ways to tackle social challenges and create social change. You can do this in an existing organization as an employee, board member, or volunteer. And it can be applied in corporate, nonprofit, government settings, and civil society, NGO settings. So that's the first thing. You don't have to start your own company. The second thing, you don't need to be a hero. Social entrepreneurship is not about saving the world or swooping in with some grand idea. The societal challenges that we're tackling are deeply rooted and complex, and you're not the first person who's trying to make it better. No one person can solve them on their own. So social entrepreneurship is really about working together. So you don't have to start your own company. You don't need to be a hero. And the third thing is that in this course, we're going to get out there and talk to people. Social entrepreneurship is not a hypothetical concept that can be learned behind a screen. It's about people. So this course asks you to hit the pavement or the Zoom screen and talk to others, work with others across sectors to understand and tackle a problem of your choice. You're actually going to be choosing a topic, and I'm going to be guiding you through it every step in the way. So think about social entrepreneurship think about this journey moving forward, not about you being a superstar, but rather being part of a constellation, part of something bigger than you.